Hi everyone, this is just a really quick video to show you something new that I'm starting on my channel. This is my Create This Book by Moriah Elizabeth, and what it is it's basically a creative outlet journal type thing. It has prompts on each page for you to take as you will and create something out of it. There's no right, there's no wrong, it's totally up to the user how they follow the prompts and how they interpret it. It's very similar to Wreck This Journal by Kerry Smith, which is quite popular and probably the most popular kind of journal. But this one is more about creating something. It's being more artistic rather than ruining and wrecking it like the other journal. So the book was completely black and white on the cover, and I have coloured black around the border and done this rainbow with Prismacolor pencils. So that is the cover that I've done. I've not done many pages so far. This is just the start. I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing on the channel in future. So this is one that I have completed. It was just a completely white space with the black letters Create This Book, and I've turned it into a bit of an art gallery. I've used different materials on this. I've used some easy shade pastels, I've used Prismacolor pencils, and as you can see I have added tape. Hopefully you can see that shiny there. I've added tape over the top to keep it nice and neat and keep it from ripping or getting frayed, so it seals the page. The next page that I've done is the Write Your Name in a Fancy Way. I'm not best pleased with this page, but it sort of went a bit wrong halfway through, so I managed to salvage it, and this is what came out. So it was Write Your Name in a Fancy Way, and this is how I've done this page. So I've used some really glittery gold around the name in this sort of fancy nameplate, and then I used Little Brian paint sticks for the black background. The next page that I've done, the prompt is to create a rule. So you need to make a rule that you follow on every single page of this book, and that could be adding a symbol to every page, adding a sticker, or anything really, just something that you do on every page, as long as it doesn't conflict with the prompt. So what I've decided to do is add a splat to every page, and I've just coloured this big splat around it with a Little Brian paint stick, and then outlined it and sealed it with the tape. So I haven't put a splat on this one yet. I've literally just finished this, but I will put one on it somewhere. And as you can see, here is the splat on the first page. So I've got lots and lots to do, as you can see. I've done the border, which was to just put some colour on the border, and I've decided to go with rainbow. But there are so many pages, it's just unreal. It's going to take forever, but I'm going to be updating every once in a while when I've done a few pages, just to show you where I'm up to. So there's all kinds of different prompts for you to do. It's really good for people who are creative and like to let their ideas flow free and, you know, just decide how they're going to interpret each prompt. So I hope you're going to enjoy looking at my Create This Book series. I'll be making a playlist so you can watch each one as it comes out. And yeah, see you soon on Colour with Claire.